Kublai phi baro kini hilomgi khubor bam tagasngi. Karam Nivas Sharma Memorial Award kadika award bala senyang daga kong alma saten kabadika kurim ulit Ram Nivas Sharma. Kakong alma saten kadika assistant lecturer jung St. Dominic Higher Secondary Mukendeng West Gentle Hills District. Nasdang aye kanika award na du Snem arajar khandai hadu menta lakhat sau Snem ninter. Laay barabor hakalingku ngiyap jong u kata ka 3 August jong manna Snem. Kadai ka jingye jong kakong alma saten yala ukurim kabala pelong ya kaban ay ka Ram Nivas Sharma Memorial Award na marbakat ba udang u iit hong ya ka. Menta ba umdon syu ka perthei ka kwa ba ka kerteng jong u kan rata i pertun sa inam. Ya ka award la ayu khna ne ka khna uba yo ne secure highest marks hakabut exam HSSLC ne SSLC St. Dominic High Secondary School Mukendeng ka school kabakahikai. Uram Nivas Sharma ude ubre ubanyaw kore ka jingnang jingstan walada yaladi umday ubatip bastan. Kani ka award kadai ka jingno kluit mensim jong kong alma saten ban pinslor yaki khna school jongka bakin tray shitam ba 3 minute khnang bakalawe jongki kanong ka phanai. Kadai ka cash award kanthop ka memento bar ka appreciation certificate. Menta Snem ya kadai ka Khusnam la Aisha ka samna Felicia shadap ka bla yo marks ka bahe ha ka SSLC 2023 ya ka bala pelong St. Dominic High Secondary School Mukendeng West Gentle Hills District min ha ka laitrik unaitung ha kadai ka jingsam Khusnam la don lang da ka Miss Suzy Mary Shadam Father Carmel Merthong, Principal St. Dominic High Secondary School Mukendeng, kakong alma saten ubabu Rofinus Arjan, ka SR Elizabeth Thanilfma.
Yeah, the memento is written or presented in this way. Ram Nivas Sharma Memorial Award 2023 presented to Miss Felicia Shadam, St. Dominic Higher Secondary School, Mukendeng, West Gentle Hills District. Please clap your hands.
About the purpose of this gathering, the meaning of this gathering. Definitely you have been informed that the Ram Nivas Sharma Memorial Award 2023 goes to Miss Felicia Shadap, who received this award for her achievement in the last Class 12 examination. Class 10 examination. This award is given to her for outstanding academic excellence. Your accomplishment have not only brought you joy to you, but also lifted you up to another level of success. May I encourage.
So Felicia, I am grateful to your father. I am sure your mother, your father are happy to see you today receiving the award. You are lucky, Felicia, to belong to the family of the Ram Nivas Sharma Memorial Award. It is my habit, it has become my habit, to look at the pictures, to look at the snaps of all those children who had received the award. I would look at those photos one by one, and then I will read their names one by one, and then I offered them to the Lord. I said, Lord, bless these children wherever they are and whatever they are doing. Give them good health. So this is also my prayer for you, Felicia. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord give you good health. May you do well in your studies, and may you do well also in life. May God bless you, Felicia. Thank you.